Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn about national festival and celebrations. There are lots of festivals in our country such as Sinhala and Tamil New Year, Christmas festival, Thai Pongal, Vesak festival. Okay, now you can see one by one. Sinhala and Tamil New Year is celebrated by Sinhala and Tamil people. It falls in April, month of every year. Not only kids but also adults highly celebrate this festival. In the next slide, you can see what are the things that we do for the Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Look, in the first picture, you can see this Amma is making sweet meals. In your homes also, you may have seen that your Amma also doing the same. Now look at the next picture. They are going to the temple. We also, before the New Year, go to the temple with our parents to offer flowers to Lord Buddha. In the third picture, yes, you can see a grandfather who is applying oil on the kid's head. You also do this custom after the New Year. Yes, in the last picture, you can see these children are worshipping their parents. You also have to do this in the New Year. In this slide, you can see some New Year games that you can participate in New Year season. In first picture, you can see eating buns. It's a very funny game. In next picture, you can see women are playing raban. Shall we sing one? Okay. Udin udin wara pettappu, bimin bimin wara pettappu. Udin udin wara bimin bimin wara kaun kanna wara pettappu. In the third picture, you can see sack race. It is also very enjoyable. Fourth one, you can see pillow fighting. It is also fantastic. Independence Day. We got our freedom in 1948. So, every year we celebrate Independence Day in 4th of February. In that day, we hoist our national flag and we sing our national anthem. In this slide, you can see how we celebrate our Independence Day. In first picture, our president is hoisting national flag. In other pictures, you can see our parade. Muslims celebrate Ramadan. We fast for 1 month. We break the fast when we see the new moon. We go to mosque to pray. In this slide, you can see what are the things that we are doing in this festival. We wear new clothes, we visit relatives and friends, we prepare delicious food. We share them with friends and relatives. And we are applying mehendi on our hands. Thai Pongal Festival. Thai Pongal is a Hindu festival. It is in January. We thank the sun god. In this slide, you can see what is the culture of Hindu people. We go to Kovil and We wear beautiful clothes. We make pongal rice. We draw kolam in front of the doorstep. Vesak festival. Why do we celebrate Vesak? We are celebrating Vesak to commemorate the birth, enlightenment and passing away of Lord Buddha. We wear white clothes and go to temple. We observe Sil and we organize Dansal. We make colorful lanterns and beautiful pandals. This is the main religious festival of Buddhist people. Vesak is in May. It is a Buddhist festival. We wear white clothes and we go to temple. We observe Sil. We organize Dansal and we give alms. We make colorful lanterns and beautiful panadols. Next one is Deepavali festival. Deepavali is one of the biggest festival of Hindu people. It is in month of November. We decorate our houses using oil lamps and we make in sweet and delicious food. We make in kolam in front of the house. Next, Poson Poya Day. Poson is the most important full moon Poya day for Buddhists in Sri Lanka. The day marks the introduction of Buddhism to the island by Arahat Mahinda in the 3rd century. It is believed the great Arahat preached the Dhamma to King Devanampiyatissa, then ruler of the country in Mihintale. Poson is celebrated throughout the island, with the most important ceremonies of the festival being held in Anuradhapura and Mihintale. The festival is held in June. We go to temple and we observe Sil, we organize dansals, we make colorful lanterns for Poson Poya Day, and we make beautiful pandals. Christmas festival. We celebrate Christmas to commemorate the birth of Jesus. Christmas is in 25th of December. For this day, we decorate Christmas trees and we wear beautiful clothes. We go to church and pray. We sing carols. Santa Claus brings us gifts. Okay children, now you know what are the festivals that we are celebrating in whole year. So, let's see what are the festivals. Christmas festival, Vesak festival, Thai Pongal, Ramadan, Sinhala and Tamil New Year, Independence Day, Deepavali. So, I hope you will enjoy all these festivals with these colorful pictures. Thank you. Goodbye.